Welcome! Today we're bringing you
the best kitchen gadgets.
We select for you the best gadgets on Amazon and AliExpress. If you wanna buy any of them, the product link is in the description. Subscribe and watch this video till the end to discover the amazing gadgets world. Enjoy the video and thanks for watching.
Is your kitchen overdue for a powerful upgrade? Introducing the Cuisinart Hurricane Blender. From pulverizing nuts and seeds to effortlessly producing consistent results, the Cuisinart Hurricane Blender shines where other appliances struggle. This powerhouse blender comes equipped with a commercial-grade 2.25 peak horsepower motor that easily handles your toughest kitchen tasks. With a double housing design, heavy-duty plastic base, and soft-touch handle, the Hurricane Blender is not only ultra-quiet, but incredibly easy to use. Press a button on the illuminated LCD display to choose low, high, or pulse, or press the pre-programmed setting for smoothie or ice crush. The tight seal lid comes with a 2-ounce removable measuring cup and allows liquids to be added directly into the blender jar when in operation. Automatic load sensing technology means this smart blender knows when to adjust blending strength based on the amount of food added to the 60-ounce BPA-free Triton jar, so your preset functions produce consistent results every time. The refined finish comes in gunmetal gray and complements your kitchen style without compromising the high-quality operation and efficiency expected from a Cuisinart blender. Professional-grade power, ultra-quiet operation, and ease of use are just a few of the reasons the Cuisinart Hurricane Blender blows the competition away. Give your kitchen the powerful upgrade it deserves by adding the Cuisinart Hurricane Blender to your culinary arsenal.
Up your grilling game this summer with the Cuisinart Griddler and Griddler Elite. Each of these efficient machines comes equipped with dual cooking surfaces and a hinged floating cover, meaning you can not only grill, but also press a panini, top brown a Reuben sandwich, or cook sausage on the griddle. The Griddler features dual temperature controls and cooking plates that drain grease for healthier cooking. The Griddler Elite adds a stylish LCD display, more cooking surface, and the special Sear Blast feature that locks flavor into your steak at 500 degrees. Ditch the traditional grill and discover fun new ways to enjoy your summer cookouts. Cuisinart. Savor the good life.
every cook knows, nothing makes prepping and mixing your favorite recipes quicker and easier than using a high-quality stand mixer. And now, thanks to the best name in the business, you can simply and efficiently handle the heaviest mixing tasks with the newest stand mixer from Cuisinart. This powerful 500-watt stand mixer is made of sturdy die-cast metal construction and has 12 mixing speeds for superior precision. The tilt-back head allows for easy access to the mixing bowl, and the included splash guard makes it easy to add ingredients even during operation. The Cuisinart stand mixer comes with 3 accessories: a chef's whisk, dough hook, and flat mixing paddle that all operate with whisper-quiet performance. This machine goes beyond the typical cookies and mashed potatoes, including fluffy creams, whole wheat pasta and pizza dough, and spicy guacamole. There's no end to the convenient solutions this stand mixer delivers. And when your kitchen creativity requires it, you can easily add any of Cuisinart's easy-to-use attachments, like the pasta extruder, dessert maker, or meat grinder. The generous 5.5-quart work bowl comes in polished stainless steel and features an easy grip handle. Make up to 6 cups of cream, process 6 cups of flour, or even 5 dozen cookies. And save time cleaning up, as the bowl, paddle, and dough hook are 100% dishwasher safe. The stand mixer comes in silver, white, or red and is backed by a 3-year warranty. Why wait to simplify your cooking and baking food preparation? Bring home classic cooking convenience with the new Cuisinart stand mixer.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is Cuisinart's Snow Cone Maker. It's fast and it's fun, and what wouldn't be more fun to do with your friends and family is to make carnival treats right at home. I said it's compact, it's a great color, it's a beautiful bright red. It has these side shelves that fold up for storage, but you can put them down, and you can put your little snow cones right in here. And you get 12 paper cones to start. There's also another shelf on this side. And you also get 4 BPA-free plastic cones that are also reusable. So just gonna put 4 of them over there. It's simple and easy to use. All you do is lift the handle here, and you put your ice right inside, and then you just push the handle down with the machine on, obviously, and that's gonna crush your ice and make it a really, really fine snow cone texture. Never twist or turn this sideways. You always want to go directly straight down on the unit. So here's your toggle switch in the front. It has 1 position for off and 1 position for on. I'm just going to turn it on so you can hear. It's quite quiet until you start crushing ice. So like I said, it's compact, it's fun, it's simple to use. So why don't we start crushing some ice and make some snow cones? So we also give you a little scooper here, which I forgot to mention. You just put the ice in the channel. And then I'm just going to start the machine up and start crushing ice. So you notice it turns off when I lift the handle up, so I can add more ice and the machine stops operating. Whoops. Add a little more ice. The other thing too you have to remember to do is obviously when you're crushing ice, I'm going to look in a second, it kind of goes down in one position. You should flatten it out when you get a chance. So let me look and see. See how quickly we made quite a bit of ice. It's going to move it over here. Obviously that's removable. The other great thing about this scooper is that it helps you make your actual snow cones. So you just press. And if you think of it almost like when you're gonna, I live on the East Coast, so you know, if you're gonna have a snowball fight, you wanna pack it really nice and tight, like so it keeps a nice shape. And then you can have it plain like this, or you can add any type of syrup. We happen to make a homemade syrup using one of our blenders, and you can just add that to the top to make it nice and flavorful and pretty. This would be so much fun to do with my nieces and nephews. It's having carnival treats at home. What kid wouldn't love it? The Cuisinart Snow Cone Maker.